Welcome, in front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the password to your device. So the first thing you should do in your situation is take your time and try to remember the password that you entered the last time, that worked for you the last time. And if you really can't do this, then the other best solution would be to reach out to TECNO customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely help you solve your issue. Now, if this didn't help you either, then you can perform a factory reset operation, which will erase all data from your phone, but it will also let you regain access to it and set it up once again for yourself. So you can do this both remotely if you have a Google account connected to your smartphone. Now in such case you'll simply have to enter the Find Hub service on Google. You can use any other device to do that, then log into this website using your email that is connected to this phone, and select the phone on the list, select factory reset, and after factory reset you'll be able to set up your phone once again. You can also do the factory reset locally through recovery mode, but if you don't know how to do this, or if you're not sure, you can always check the entire video on our channel where we explain this process step by step for you, so you surely won't get lost and will do everything right. So that will be all for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.